Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Like always, please make sure to give me a like, subscribe, and comment before the video. I always like to say, my Patreon is going to be in the description. I already added it to every single description if you guys would like to join. If you guys have any TA that you guys would like me to look at, please go ahead and drop a comment below. I will look at it. I will look at it as soon as I can. Usually in these videos is when I look at the comments to see what kind of TA I can do and stuff, right? So like I said in my yesterday's video, my target was between 397 and 400. We already hit target as of today. I think about an hour ago we hit 400 bucks. Actually about 3 hours ago we hit 400. So my target as from yesterday from 397 to 400 has already hit. For today, I do think we're a little overextended. This CPI has to come in extremely ridiculously under expectation. I think expectation is something like 7.2, 7.3. I think we are extremely overextended, and CPI has to come in at like 7.0 or under 7.0 or something like that. Like I said, this rally that we had because of CPI is kind of insane, right? It's a good rally, right? The market it wants to rally, it wants to keep pushing higher. Obviously, right now, TA doesn't really matter all that much, because CPI is essentially, you could say that TA mattered. I mean, there was essentially a perfect entry right here at 394 on my indicators. You could have bought in. So you could have written this all the way up literally to where we are now. And because the daily actually closed yesterday, this is actually a perfect signal to actually get in again at 398, right? It's a perfect entry. So as of right now, TA does show like TA does look like we're gonna go to like 417, 430. That's where TA actually shows that we're gonna go, looking at like previous runs, right? So if we actually take the last daily trigger that happened, which is from these lows right here, we run it all the way to right there, 33 bucks in 15 days. We can kind of run the same thing here, right? So we'll do this 15 days, 33 bucks, like right there, right? So right now, TA is forecasting a 425, 430, somewhere around this range, right? Somewhere between 417 and 430 within the next 2 weeks. So by the end of December, we're actually forecasting a 420, 430 SPY. Again, this is what TA says, right? But considering the CPI, if CPI comes in at anything that's not relevant to what this rally is, like I said, it has to come in at something ridiculously low, because this rally has to represent, I think it's already being priced in, to be honest. But again, CPI has to come in ridiculously low, or I actually think today we dump all the way back down to 393, right? So I think the expected last month was 7.7. I think we have to come in at like 7.2, 7.0 for this rally to be acceptable. Because like I said, I do think we are way overextended on this rally. So if we do not come in at anything that's actually, if we come in as expected, I think we dump or trade flat. If we come in at 7.7, I think we dump hard, right? If we come at anything above 7.7, which I think is unlikely. I think today you can actually see like 380. But again, TA says 100% bullish towards like 417, 430-ish within by the end of the year. But the CPI has to come in ridiculously low. So as of right now, again, I'm not playing this. I don't really care too much about CPI. I'm just waiting for the direction. If I do have to give targets, it's if CPI comes in a lot lower, like 7.2, 7.0, my target by the end of the year is going to be 430, right? To be honest, that's probably going to be my target. If CPI comes in at anything 7.7 flat or higher, I think today we can actually see 380. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.